Have you ever used an app today? Apps are a big part of how we use our phones and computers. An app is a software program you can download on your phone or computer to do specific tasks. Some learners confuse apps with hardware, but an app is just software, not a physical device. We say download an app, use an app, open an app, and install an app on your device. I downloaded a new fitness app. She uses a language learning app every day. The app on my phone helps me read news. You can open the app to check your email. Tom was lost in a new city. He opened a map app on his phone. The app showed him the way and helped him feel safe. Think of the word app like a little helper on your device, short for application, a small tool you carry inside. Now you know what an app is. Try to find a new app today and practice the word. See you next time.